I'm Madison, and this is my TED Talk on ocean acidification. So here we have marlin and Nemo, which I'm sure we all know of. They live in a beautiful area abundant with colorful corals, and as Marlin put it in the opening scene, it's getting an ocean view and saying a fish can breathe out here. Here we have another inhabitant of the reefs, Peach, also from Finding Nemo. Although she lived in a tank at a dentist office mostly, Peach and coral share a lot of similarities, which will be explained shortly. Both of these characters and many others live in places like this, beautiful coral reefs full of life. Now brace yourselves for this next one. This is what happens when reefs experience something called ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is what happens when the pH levels of the ocean go down, even slightly, due to excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that gets absorbed into the ocean. Ocean acidification really started to show itself around the start of the Industrial Revolution by the burning of coal, oil, and gas, and since then the ocean has absorbed about 525 billion tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. For clownfish and others as well, they are being affected heavily by losing their homes and their minds. The slightly more acidic water affects their ability to hear predators and their ability to smell, which they use to get back home whenever they've gone too far. Both coral and starfish use calcium carbonate or aragonite to build their skeletons, but with the acidity increasing, the aragonite levels decrease, leading to great reef declines, and starfish and other types of shelled organisms are left susceptible to the ocean and its predators. Within the last 200 years, the ocean has become 30% more acidic. The ocean is naturally alkaline, sitting around an 8 on our scale, but currently we're sitting at 8.2, which is, to these creatures, a major change. Not only does this affect them, but us too. Organisms such as clams and oysters are dying due to the high acidity and low aragonite, which negatively affects fishermen and our food productivity, as well as food sources for other marine mammals. Even though we can't completely reverse this, we can at least slow down the effects. Ways we can do this is by donating to certain organizations, educating ourselves and talking about it with others, cleaning up our oceans and beaches, and reducing our carbon footprints are all ways to bring our reefs back to life again.